Question 14. Points M and P are the same distance from a third point R. The bearing of M from R is 17 degrees and the bearing of P from R is 107 degrees. Which of the following best describes the bearing of P from M? Okay, let's draw a diagram and take this one step at a time. So the points M and P are the same distance from a third point R. So this is R, and it's saying that the bearing of M from R, so if we draw a north at R, is 17 degrees. So let's draw a line here. Let's call this M. This is 17 degrees. Now let's switch colors. The bearing of P from R is 107 degrees. So let's draw this line here, and from R, this is going to be P, 107 degrees. And now it's asking for the bearing of P from M. So we're going to draw a line for them to meet, and the bearing of P from M. So from M means we draw the north at M, and we're going to try and find this bearing. Now, how can we determine which section it's in? So one thing we can look at is that these two norths, so the north at R and then the north at M, are parallel lines. So if this is 17, well, this angle is going to be 180 minus 17, which is 163. Secondly, we know that the degrees of the interior angles of a triangle equal 180. So if we look at this, to find this angle, we can take 107 minus 17. So the angle MRP equals 107 minus 17, and this equals 90. Which means that this is a right angled triangle. So since these two sides, they're equal, it means that it is an isosceles triangle. So this angle, let's do this in grey, this angle and this angle, the grey ones, they're equal. And if the angles in a triangle add up to 180 and it's a right angle and it's isosceles, that means this is 45 and this is 45. So if we're trying to find the bearing of P from M, we just need to find this angle here. And we have 163 and 45 at the point. Now the degrees at a point is 360. So we can take 360 minus 163 minus 45, and that equals 152 degrees true. So our answer is going to be between 90 and 180 degrees.